in the book of 1 Timothy chapter 1.
Ushuru wa furuli wa Kenya ruli moko-ini ma Akenya milioni 45 na kwagirithia no nginyagia tukorwo na urumwe na wendo miario rirekereirio ni mutongoria wa furuli Uhuru Kenyatta kuria hinyiriirie ati ithurano twerekeire igakorwo iri cia thayu.
And for us to learn to live and love each other, and that our diversity is not a challenge, but rather a gift that we are given by God.
Nona ke gavana wa Nairobi Evans Kidero na atongoria matiganite a moho wa NASA nimoretie President Uhuru Kenyatta na munini wake mahujie ndumiriri ya thayu na ciiko to ciugo tu mieri iria marekereirie thutha wa igongona ria mitha kanitha-ini umwe guku Nairobi.
To appeal to all Kenyans, if you really love God, and today being a Sunday, and you really believe that this country should be governed by leadership that is chosen by God, let us shun tribalism, let us respect our elders.
And we would wish to urge the leaders to refrain from making remarks that could cause tribal animosities.
Atongoria makanitha ona matitigetwo na thutha hari kuhunjia thayu kuri Akenya ona gwithemana na ateti aria maracũgira ngui. Oho makoria Akenya matigathuria atongoria aria maratongorio ni ukabira.
Tunasikia vile wanatuvuta pande hii na nyingine, tuwasupport na matusi, tuwasupport na sijui nini. Wakristo wapenzi, msitolewe katika imani, msitolewe katika amani, msichanganyikiwe kwa sababu ya siasa.
The youth should be able to decide and to know and to make the proper judgment so that we don't kill each other, we don't displace each other, so that we actually know that despite of all this, at the end of this election, we still remain as Kenyans.
Na wandu ethi ni moritio matikahuthirwo ni ateti guthararia kambeini cia ateti angi na handu-ini hao guo mahunjie thayu ona maikare menda-ine gukirikana ati kuri ikundi ateti mombite na ciahota guthararia thayu.
Njuri mwana citu irege biu kugira thiini wa ikundi icio tondu riria thayu wathuka ni mwana icio ithiaga ikona thina tugacinyita na neo macoka makorera mabũrũri ma nanja.
Mihango yo thuthuria igi ikundi ici ni yambiriirie no rio kunyitikania gutacukirio makinya ma kiwatho kuona muigite ati matigwitikiria mundu oro wothe guthararia thayu wa Akenya. Girifotera Inooro TV retwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Masharia.